oven is shrinking. First Alice, now Lilia. It's nice she took the Salem 7 with her. The bodies are really piling up. Just like you promised.
Did you doubt me?
I did. Yeah, thought there'd be a trick in there somewhere. And there was. You were distracting me from him.
You're a big girl. I knew you'd figure it out eventually.
He is an abomination. He is disrupting the sacred balance. And I know how you feel about him.
Oh, please, I've known that kid for 2 minutes.
I watch you, Agatha. Just as closely as you watch everyone else. This walk with another woman's son on a road that doesn't—
Stop!